In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a presentation slide, or a social media post, shapes are a great way to enhance your design and make your content more engaging. Canva makes it super simple to add and customize shapes. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, once you have your Canva design open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a variety of tools and options to choose from. Here you'll want to locate and click on the Elements tab. The Elements section is a treasure trove of design possibilities, offering everything from free photos and videos to illustrations and, of course, shapes. By clicking here, you'll open yourself up to a wide array of creative elements that you can incorporate into your design. Now, let's hone in on what we're here for: shapes. To find a specific shape, simply move to the search bar within the Elements tab and type the word shape. This will prompt Canva to pull up an array of available shapes for you to browse. You'll see a selection right away, but don't limit yourself to the first few you see. Entering shape into the search bar brings up thousands of options, so it's always helpful to explore a bit further to find exactly what you need. After conducting your search, you'll notice an option labeled See All. This is a very handy feature as it expands the panel to display a full array of shapes. Clicking on See All will give you the opportunity to explore a much broader range of shapes. Everything from basic squares and circles to more complex abstract designs. Be sure to take a moment to explore these to find the best fit for what you're designing. Once you've found a shape that resonates with your vision, it's time to incorporate it into your design. This is probably the easiest and most satisfying step of the process. Drag and drop. Simply click on your chosen shape, hold down the mouse button, and drag it over to your design space. Release the mouse button and voila! Your selected shape will land in your design area, ready for you to resize and position as you see fit. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shape to your design in Canva. From here, feel free to play around with the customization options. You can change the color, adjust the size, and even layer them with text or images. Remember, using shapes effectively can really elevate your design and help convey your message more clearly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.